Hi, Lauren. What are you doing?
Making muffins
For who?
for Nanny.
Oh, and what are you doing there?
I'm making muffins
For who?
for Nanny.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Now what do I have to do?
Are you ready for your next step?
Yes.
All right. What kind of muffins are you making?
Banana.
Banana who?
Banana muffin.
I'm just teasing. No, leave the nuts. We're not using the nuts yet. Okay. Can I talk to you about something on the refrigerator? Come walk with me over here. This picture right here, who is that?
Grandpa.
Grandpa. How do you know it's Grandpa?
Cause.
Did you draw it?
Yes.
You did?
Uh-huh.
What about this? What is that?
It's it's for you.
What do you mean it's for me?
Cause.
Who else are you making the muffins for? Like,
Grandpa.
maybe your brother who's not here? Where is your brother?